Welcome to the channel. In this video, I want to show you a new product that I got from Eagle Lights. Okay? I got a new dipstick, oil temperature dipstick. I'm in the middle of the process of doing my oil change on my bike, my 21 Road Glide Limited. And I reached out to Eagle Lights and they're gracious enough to send me one of their TEMPSENSE Dipsticks for the touring models, Harley Davidson touring models. Okay, there's two different ones. They have one for Softails and they have one for touring models. If you're interested, I'll have the links to both in the description below. Just to let you know, they're affiliate links, and I receive a small commission, no extra charge to you. But Eagle Lights was gracious enough to send it to me. It's going to replace, let's see here, I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I got some light here. All right. Let's see, got any light? There we go. Light. There. It is going to replace that right there. Okay? That dipstick. And it's going to have a temperature gauge. So, let's open this up and see what it looks like. Forgive me, I got I'll use this can here. I got rubber gloves on. So, anyway, in the middle so you can see my oil. Anyway, so process here of doing my oil change. So anyway, Eagle Lights, great. This is the part number for the tour, all right? Link will be in the description below. They also have a Softail one. And I'll have the link for that too. All right. Comes in a nice package here. It's styrofoam. Let's get this out of there. Nice styrofoam package. It's all nice and secure. Look at that. It's in there nice and tight. Can't get it out. All right, there we go. Nice black. It does have a rubber seal on there. It says Eagle Lights. I don't know if you can see. Eagle Lights. Temperature gauge. Okay. Odd long. I don't know if you can see this, but it does have, I don't know if you can really see it, but you know, on the dipstick, on the OEM dipstick, it gives you both for being on the jiffy stand and being upright. So on this says upright on this one side, and you roll it over on this side and it says jiffy stand, so it does have both. All right, so all we got to do, can you see? All right, take this one out. All right, I just did an oil change, so I got fresh oil in there, and I haven't started it up yet. So I was waiting to put this in there so we can watch the temp. All right, so this should just go right in there. Huh. Yeah. Is that how it works? Right there? Okay. Can you see it? All right. Let me twist it out. See what it says for oil. Of course, I can't see it because it's clean. I like how this comes in and out easier because that plastic one kind of sucked. All right. All right, I'm pretty up there. All right. All right. Let's watch this heat up.
A few moments later.
All right, I don't know if you can hear me. Can you see? I don't know if you can see that. It's up to over 100 degrees right now, so it is working. My fans are kicked on. So, yeah, I like the looks of this. What do you think? Looks good, don't it? Yeah. Well, all right. So that's the end of today's video. Quick, easy install, 2 seconds. Eagle Lights, TEMPSENSE Dipstick, and it shows the oil on your jiffy stand and upright, just like your original does. I like how this screws in, so you can't mess it up. It just goes in and it tightens right up to where you can see the temperature. It works out great and it looks better. And I can get this, I can unscrew it. A lot of times after the bike's been running, I can't get that. I have to use a pair of pliers to get the old one off, the original one off. So I think this is great. It's gonna work out great for me. Anyway, end of the video. What do you think? Leave it in the comments. Link for this one and link for the Softail model will be in the description below if you're interested. Check it out. And check out some other lights, some lights that they have for, your bike. Great company. And, if you use my code, you get a discount, So anyway, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Thumbs up. And if you want to see some more videos, check the one out up here. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.